Look at it. Here we go. Oh my goodness. Oh, that is amazing. Look at the colours. Ah! The covers come out really, really well. Oh, look at it. Oh my God, that's so juicy. Look at the juicy colours. And all the pretty boho people. Oh, quick. How's it printed? Okay. Oh, that is fantastic. This is my new book, guys. 25 pages of ephemera and 14 patterns, boho hippie ephemera to cut out and collage. Look at all these beauties on the front, and the camper van and the cacti and all the boho ladies. Oh my God. Oh, look, it's come out so well. The colours. Oh, I am so pleased with this. Oh, there's all the tiny ones. Look, these are great for ATCs and twinchies even, because they're tiny. Especially for twinchy lovers. Oh, look. Do you know what? I haven't actually got my glasses on, but that looks spot on to me. The colours have come out so well. Look, all the beautiful beaded things, the boho hair clips, and the patchwork skirts, and then look at the sandals. Oh my God, I can't wait to collage with this. Lots of beautiful little boho hippie gardens, and yay! Oh my God, look at the background papers. Look at the colours of that. Woo, very trippy. So loads of sort of 70s hippie stuff there, and all the pretty colours. Oh my God. There we go. So pretty. Oh my God, look at these. Look at these, and the colours are just so delicious. And look, we've got suns and moons and a bumblebee and moths, and lots of hamzas as well. These are hamzas, and more moths, and cowgirl hats, and lots of cowgirl boots. I've seen a lot of girls in London wearing those this summer. Beautiful outfits. Super cute. These would be great for ATCs. They're just about the right size. Look, here's an ATC. They're going to fit beautifully on that size, aren't they? And look at these. The moon, the sun, and the wonderful flary yoga pants and Mindy patterns. Just love it. Oh, I'm so happy. Oh my God, I can't wait to cut these out. Destroy the book before I've even finished looking through it. And lots of these lovely cane peacock chairs. Oh my God. These are such a 70s throwback for me, these are. Look at that.